all
There it goes.
And we'll make a right turn heading of 190 or 140.
140. Yeah, 140, so up to 3,000.
Yep.
140. Oh, sorry.
Actually, the left turn, my bad.
Yeah, left turn 140. Alright, ready?
Yep.
Clear left, clear right.
Yep.
Lewis traffic, Sky 361, leaving uniform depart runway 27, going to be departing area to the east. Lewis.
Perfect. Alright. Up. Sweet. Stop it.
That's mine.
Oh, it was both of ours.
We're yelling at each other. Lights are on.
Yep. Full power. Engine instruments are all green. Needles look normal. Airspeed coming up.
Alright, 55, rotate.
Alright, very nice.
Very nice out on the ground.
And I believe controlled airspace starts at 700 feet AGL, which is 1,400, which is where the clouds are.
Well, it's 1,400 feet ATL.
Yeah. Just make a departure lane call, and we're departing the area to the southeast.
Lewis traffic, Sky 361, leaving uniform departure leg runway 27, going to be departing area to the last call. Last call. I said least. I think I said least.
That's okay. I think you said last.
I don't think anybody's around to know.
No.
Pontago Alpha, out of curiosity, what's the temp there? Actually, it went up. It went to 6 degrees. We were at 3. And we are VFR in between 2 layers right here, Pontago Alpha. Okay, Pontago Alpha, just waiting for them to call off of Lewis Airport now. They're airborne out of 1200. So I can get you lower shortly. Unless you like it better up there, we could do 5 instead. If we could hold 4, it'd be perfect. 5 looks like it's back in the clouds, and 4, we're, like I said, we're between 2 layers.
We're going to turn.
Yeah, and then...
Roger that. We'll stay at 4 for now. We're going to take off. Thanks, sir. Appreciate the help.
Chicago approach, Skyhawk 361, leaving uniform 1,500 for 3,000. 361, leaving uniform, Chicago departure, ident, midway altimeter 2991. 2991 and ident, uniform, leaving uniform. Leaving uniform, under contact a mile west of Lewis. Let me know when you have the ASOS at Griffith and the approach requested. We'll get the weather at Griffith, and we'll probably do the RNAV 26 if we can for 184. Terrific. Alright.
That's nice. Good job. Keep flying the airplane up to 3,000, 140 heading.
1692, the time I take.
Alright, there is no ASOS, so it isn't hitting the weather at Lansing.
Yep. Good job. En route climb 70 to 85 knots. Full open, full ridge license required. And you can turn off the landing lights there.
Lansing,
I'll switch on right now.
automated weather observation 19013. Zulu weather wind 290 at 14 gust 20 visibility 7 light rain ceiling 1,900 overcast temperature 10 Celsius dew point 7 altimeter 2992.
2992.
Lansing International Airport, IG2, the full fuel service is out of order.
Oh, nice.
Lansing International Airport, IG2.
Cost 0 Juliet Alpha, choose advisory is approved, no traffic observed between you and the airport. Require that back here.
Almost there.
Contact on the
913. Zulu weather wind 290 at 13 gust 20 visibility 7 light rain
Hi, Ray.
ceiling 1,700 overcast.
Good job, Jim. Keep going up. And say we have the weather.
approach 1 leaving uniform has the weather at Lansing.
1 leaving uniform, rudder turn 20 degrees left, that'll be vectors for the RNAV 26.
20 left for the RNAV 26 for 1 leaving uniform.
Good job. This is so cool.
This is fun.
This is really cool.
1 leaving uniform, traffic at 8 o'clock, 3 miles southeast down to 4,000, Cherokee, overflight.
Looking for 1 leaving uniform.
And they're this one.
Yeah.
Tell them we have on ADSB.
Also 737 off the nose, 5 miles northeast at 5.
So that's for us? Yeah, we have him inside. No faster
No.
than Papa.
Okay.
You can tell them we have an ADSB on him.
And we've got the traffic off of our 1, 2 o'clock right here. No
Oh,
faster.
they got us. Category A. That takes us down to 600 feet above the ground and 1 mile.
And for 1 Lima uniform, what's your present heading? Did I give you a 120 there?
That's correct.
Yeah, you give me 20 left, so we're at about 120 right now. Okay, 1 Lima uniform, turn left heading 100 now, contact approach 128.2. 128.2 and 100 for 1 Lima uniform. 128.2?
Yeah. And then 100 heading, right?
Yep.
Oh. And it's approach.
Yep. Chicago approach, Skyhawk 6, 1 Lima uniform, 3000, 100. That's 361 Lima uniform, Chicago approach, advise you of the weather. We have weather at land.
And then the flight back to Lewis is going to be a lot shorter because we don't have to extend out. It's just going to be boom boom onto the 27.
November 1 Lima uniform, would you like to join at Richmond or would you like a vector to final?
Let's back to the final if possible for 1 Lima uniform.
Expected.
Nice.
I don't want to go all the way to Richmond.
No, screw it.
Midway at run, 99 track. November 1 Lima uniform, flying 080.
080 for 1 Lima uniform.
At 569, reduce speed to
Center, Southwest 1687.
November 1 Lima uniform, turn left heading 350, make 1,500.
2,500, 350 for 1 Lima uniform.
November 5419, or
Oh, right at Richmond.
Yeah, we are in Richmond.
November 1 Lima uniform, turn left heading 290, intercept the final approach course.
290, intercept the final approach course 1 Lima uniform.
November 5419, tower at runs with 30.
We're not clear for it yet. Just remember that.
5 feet there before you. And we
And then add the airspeed back.
We're
Or
definitely going to have to add, which is approach mode?
Delta 1625, reduce your speed to 170 until runs, tower at runs with 35.2.
170 to Ron's Tower there, 35-2, Southwest 1525.
November 1 Lima uniform, you're 5 miles from JTOL, maintain 2,500 to establish on the approach course, cleared RNAV runway 26, Griffith Airport.
Clear for RNAV 26 at Griffith Airport for 1 Lima uniform.
Southwest 932, proceed direct Gleam, descend and maintain 6,000.
Direct lean,
Cool.
6,000.
and then we're cleared for it. So once we get established to it.
Yeah, we can descend to 1,700.
Yeah. Well, after we're past Richmond already.
So
So
you want to just... Oh,
No, no, not descend yet. We're not established yet.
November 1 Lima uniform, make it up 300 to join the final approach course.
300 for 1 Lima uniform.
That bothers me that he's giving us 300 and 350. Like, just say 300.
1193, departure radar contact, climb
My brain has trouble computing.
On up to 4,000, Southwest 1190.
Alright, now we're established, we can go down to 1,700.
Yes.
So I'll just set that.
Uniform, no traffic is observed between you and the airport. Change your advisory frequency approved. Report your cancellation by far the frequency in the air, or on the ground via flight service, or at a local telephone number if you need it.
Alright, we will transfer over to the local frequency, and we'll let you know because we might have that site already, but we'll wait to get more of these clouds for Lima uniform.
You got it. Southwest 758, maintain 210.
Alright, so we are, what, 5 miles from the airport, I guess?
Let's see. With JSON,
6 miles.
About
Griffith traffic, Skyhawk 361 Lima uniform is 6 miles to the east of the airport on the RNAV 26 to be full stop at Griffith.
And then we can go down.
Yeah. Oh, it's going to get yourself the flight path.
Oh, it is.
Yes.
Oh, my bad.
Griffin, traffic, sky 361, leaving uniform is on 4 mile, final runway 26, full stop, Griffin.
Alright, now switch over.
1687.
And
Flight
give,
344, go to Gleam, intercept the localizer.
Gleam, intercept the localizer, flight 344.
Alpha 758, maintain 170 knots, or greater until run. Tower at run for 35-2.
What time is the launch time with PSMC?
Approach 1 leaving uniform, flight to cancel IFR.
November 1 Lima uniform, your IFR cancellation is received. Squawk VFR today.
Squawk VFR today, 1 leaving uniform. That's ident. 1 VFR and...
yeah.
Oh, well, I actually idented.
Oh well.
Oh well.
You're 1200 idented. Autopilot disconnected. And we have the runway inside so we can go all the way down on the approach. We're about to hit JSOL. And displace threshold. Displace threshold.
Yep.
Cool.
We're about 3 mile final.
Yeah.
Griffin, traffic, sky 361, leaving uniform, 3 mile final, runway 26, full stop, Griffin. We're both yelling at each other.
It's already yelling at it.
Alright, down
Stop
to
it.
which we don't have to worry about, but...
Cool. Hello, Griffith. Good to see ya. Alright, make it a good one.
Computer heat's coming off.
Computer's off. We look set up for landing still. You want to start adding in flaps in a second?
Yeah, I'm thinking about it.
I'll help you. Alrighty.
I'm gonna slow down here.
Yep.
Even though we could add that first notch in the whole one.
Right about here. First
we can do
notch,
that.
first notch flaps coming in.
Sir?
You should feel them drag.
Yep.
Let me know when you want second.
Go ahead and throw the second in.
Seconds
Hopefully
coming
help
in.
with maintain airspeed.
Seconds in.
There we go.
We are proceeding VFR. Hoorah, baby. I see why scud running is a problem.
Yeah. There's a lot of towers out this way, and that's why I'm like, let's not.
Alright, I see the display threshold.
We definitely...
We can't descend because we are in a stable approach. We meet the visibility requirements and we have pavement in sight.
Yep.
Cool.
Alright.
We are such good IFR pilots.
Griffith traffic, Sky 361 leaving uniform is a 1 mile final runway 26, full stop, Griffith.
And do you want full?
Yep.
Full flaps coming in. I feel like a pilot monitoring. This is how the airlines do it, baby. Alright, 68 knots, still down.
There's a little bit of turb.
We have a 3,600 or 700 foot runway, which is plenty.
Alright. This still can barely see the display threshold, but I got the arrows.
Yeah. I got it too.
Wonderful. I see why it's a display threshold.
Yeah.
Yeah. There's trees right here.
Oh.
And imagine, I know why it doesn't have an LPV either.
What was the LPV?
No, that was LNAV.
Oh, was it?
Yep,
Okay.
LNAV MDA. And
Those are some freaking trees.
Yeah, those are the trees.
a little bit more, a little more, a little more. Right about, yeah. That's my threshold. You got it, Jim. Nailing it good. Oh, so beautiful.
Maybe off by the first taxiway? No, we're got the back taxi.
Yeah, just nice and smooth. Okay, I know where we're going. I
We're
know
going by the school bus?
Yep. So this is Griffith, eh?
Griffith traffic, Sky 361 leaving uniform, back taxi, runway 26, Griffith.
And I got your flaps for
Thank
after
you.
checklist. We can keep the transponder active just so they know we're down,
Yep.
sort of thing. And lights as required, you can turn off.
I got 7 Mike Charlie actually right there. Is that
Oh, cool. Is the keys there? Should we just go over there, buy it?
Yeah, let's go buy it.
Yeah.
There's actually a restaurant in there, which I had no idea that was in
They,
there.
the FBO might freaking have the keys for us, so
Yeah.
we'll park next to it.
Griffith traffic, Sky 361 leaving uniform, clear.
Alpha
26. Griffith. Alright, and shutdown checklist.
Shut down checklist.
Parking brake is set. 1,000.